gonna have to explain to everybody. Yo, bro, why'd you cut your finger? Oh, no, I know how it's gonna go. I'm gonna next to my crush. She's gonna be like, why in the world do you got your finger cut? And I'm gonna be like, oh yeah, I was building a computer blindfolded. I kind of cut my finger. Building a gaming desktop blindfolded sounds stupid, right? Well, it is, and it's very stupid. But today we're gonna test and see if my skills are good enough to hold up building a complete computer blindfolded. Now, I'm actually making this after I've already done this. I did this on a live stream already. And I can say that, yes, it is possible. Now, I will say, though, that there is a lot of funny stuff in this one. And I would recommend it if you really want to test how well your building skills are and really do the ultimate test of how good you are at building computers. But up until then, I really wouldn't see any point of doing it. And I really wanted to just say that I had done it before because I just wanted the bragging rights. And that's why I decided to do this and, of course, do this video to say that I can do it blindfolded. So, I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll be cutting some of the stream clips as well as a time-lapse in the corner. And hopefully the time-lapse will be at the end, I'm thinking. But yeah, hopefully you enjoy this video and enjoy me building a computer completely blindfolded. Two things though, I did have the stream running, so I would turn around to look at the monitor back here, so I would not be able to see anything that was going on. So I had everything, so I wouldn't be able to see. I basically, flip the blindfold up, read off the screen so he was talking, and then put it back on, and then work on it some more. And that's pretty much it. But yeah, it was interesting, and I will say it was pretty difficult. So hope you enjoy. Well, let's see what we got here. So, oh gosh, this is a bad idea. I already spelled it. Oh boy. Okay, so that's a motherboard. Okay, so this is a power supply. I'm going to put that. Oh, this is a bad idea. I mean, hey, hopefully it gets a lot of views. I'm happy on that one. If we get some views off it, it'll be worth it. I mean, I have fun time doing this stuff as well. But okay, so this is motherboard. Yep, motherboard. Okay. So let's do this RAM again. So RAM 1, RAM 2. Okay, let's see, which end is the RAM going to go in? Okay, so that feels like that's, yep. Okay. Oh crap, this is really a bad idea. Okay, this is RAM sticks. This will sadly not be the first bad idea we've done on this channel, so it's good. That's not going. This might be the worst part. I don't know if I should have done this or not. This I'm sure someone's laughing their butt off here. I know, I can smell it. Oh! I think I did it. I think we got some RAM. I think I did some RAM. Now let's get this back going, shall we? Okay, so let's pop these out. Put RAM dim. I don't remember which way it went in, so this is going to be interesting. Okay. Oh, yeah. Okay, well, there we go. That's good. So I had wasn't the hard drive over here somewhere? Okay, here's hard drive. Okay. Hard drive. Which end do I need to put this in? Not this end. Okay. There should be in the corner of one of these boards. Yep, corner. There should be a small yellow. Is this it? Yes. Is this it? Yes. Okay. On one of the corners should be the SATA ports. Oh, yeah. Okay. Which part over here? I did. Okay, so hard drive should be linked. Okay. So what else do I need to do? I need to do graphics card. This graphics card? I don't want to put that in just yet. Okay, so here we are. I gotta stand up. Make sure I get this down all the way. This is a computer, right? Okay, this is the case. Ah, this is not a good idea. Okay, so I'm gonna put this down. Make sure I'm not bumping anything. Okay. This is a graphics card. Hopefully it doesn't fall off the table. Okay. This is power supply. This needs to go right here. Luckily I know my hardware well enough. I would think after like the 12th time of doing this, I would figure I have enough of putting this computer together. I figured I'd have enough knowledge to go through and do it. There we go. Just needs to go this way in the computer, right? Yeah, I'm gonna cut my finger really bad at doing this, and then I'm gonna have to explain to everybody, yo, bro, why'd you cut your finger? Oh, no, I know how it's gonna go. I'm gonna be sitting next to my crush, and gonna ask you, like, why is your finger cut? And I'll be like, ooh, this was not a good idea. She's gonna be like, why in the world do you have your finger cut? And I'll be like, oh yeah, I was building a computer blindfolded. And I kind of cut my finger. Okay, this is not gonna have to happen. This is not happening. We're just gonna pop this out. And I'll be like, yeah, I cut my finger doing this blindfolded, so I could look like a complete idiot. Okay, let's see what we got here. So this is IRA. Yep. I don't remember. I don't think there is. I didn't think there was a plate. What do you call it? IO shield. So. Oh, did that finally pop? Is that grip? No, did I do it? Did I do it? Well, I'm not going to say it's depressing. It's not like I'm going to break something, and I'm not going to get electrocuted because I haven't plugged anything yet. So we're good. Now, this is... Oh, gosh. So 3 hard drive caddies. One should have the... Well, it'd be different if I wasn't familiar with this case and hardware. But, at least with this one, I have got a good bit of experience with taking this apart. Again, crap, take that out. Oh well, this should pop out. So there should be clips right here, hard drive. Which way does it go? It should go like this. So I've got a good bit of experience doing this, so it's not like that's the wrong way, that's what it is. Now just to think though, imagine being blind. Did I really, what? No, that was the right way. Okay, yeah, it feels like that USB problem right there. Had like a USB coincidence. Okay, that's not popping out. Okay, let's put this here. That's sliding in. Is that going in? I think so. Okay, now I gotta find the motherboard. Corners right here. Motherboard corners. I think am I on it? No. Maybe I have to switch it around. See if that's it. Yes, got it. Okay. So now it's the graphics card. So graphics card. This is what I don't want to break because this is actually worth stuff now. Okay, so I get the big question is, am I going to be able to get the post? Because okay, that's the biggest question of the day right here. That doesn't feel too safe, but let's see. Does it pop in? Oh, that pops in. So I'd figure that's probably good. Okay, now this is where this is really going to get nasty. This is the computer blindfolded. Let's see what we got here, shall we? This is computer made blindfolded. Let's see what we got. Wow. Let's see if it posts. I want to know, will it post? Let's see, will it at least boot? Did I do everything right is the question. Okay. I mean, I couldn't have seen that or read that, so we're good there. That's in there as well. So, I mean, it's not like it's, Okay. Well, yeah. So, take this sucker off. And, that is the last time I'll ever use that blindfold. And, power. Let's check. Will it post? Uh-oh, well, that looks like we did. Looks like Windows wasn't shut down. Crap. Looks like Windows wasn't shut down properly, but it does look like it posted. Oh, I don't have that thing set up. Hopefully you guys can see it from there. But it's starting up Windows on the corner right there. So, yeah, that is a complete working computer made blindfolded. Now, I won't say cable management is anywhere close to the best, but that is working computer. So looking at this after I've finished it, number one, cable management is completely atrocious, but I'm really happy with how I was able to at least accomplish everything that I wanted to without electrocuting myself, cutting myself too bad. So yeah, I was pretty happy with that. Everything works. I'm able to boot into Windows, and to do that, you might have seen that the last of the time lapse at the end of the stream. But that was pretty much the complete computer build blindfolded. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, give it a thumbs down. If you have an idea you want me to do, down below. But yeah, this was, I at least have bragging rights now. I can say I built a computer blindfolded. But yeah, so thank you all for watching. Hope to see you around, and check out the channel if you're interested. There's always a subscribe button if you're interested as well. But goodbye.
Cigarette ash, it looks like snow when it falls in the wind, you know. And you, oh you say you wanna dance,